Hi to all, welcome to my first class on Understanding Quadrilaterals, Chapter 3 of Class 8. This class I am going to discuss curves, polygons, diagonals, convex and concave polygons, regular and irregular polygons. This screen we can consider as a plane surface. This plane contains infinite number of points. Let me take some points in this plane. Let me join all these points without lifting my pen. Then here this figure you can call it as a curve. Here you have two curves. What is the difference between the first and the second? Here you can see the second crosses many times, but the first curve which does not cross itself. The curves which does not cross itself, we can call it as simple curve. Here you have two simple curves. Then what is the difference between these two? Here first one is open, the second one is closed. So we can say the first one is an open curve, the second one is closed curve. Or we can say it is a simple open curve or simple closed curve. Look at these two closed curves. What is the difference? The second one, which is made up of line segment, this we can call it as polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Here is a polygon having three sides. This we can call it as triangle. Here is a polygon having four sides. This we can call it as quadrilateral. Here you have a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This polygon we can call it as pentagon. Here you have polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. This 6-sided polygon we can call it as hexagon. Here you have a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7-sided polygon we can call it as heptagon. Here you have a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 sides. This polygon we can call it as octagon. Here you have a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. This 9-sided polygon we can call it as nonagon. Here you have a polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10-sided polygon we can call it as decagon. If it is so, what a polygon with the n sides is called? That we can call it as n-gon. Consider the quadrilateral ABCD. Here the vertex A and vertex C we can call it as consecutive vertices of vertex B. The vertex D is called the non-consecutive vertex of vertex B. Let me join the non-consecutive vertices, that is BD and AC. These are called diagonals of this quadrilateral ABCD. That is, a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Here is a pentagon. Let us try to draw the diagonals of this pentagon. Let us take this vertex. So the non-consecutive vertex join, you will get 2. Similarly, from here also you can draw 2 diagonals. From this vertex already one is drawn, join other. These are the diagonals of this pentagon. Consider this simple closed curve. This shaded portion we can call it as interior of the curve. Then what about this portion? This we can call it as exterior of the curve, closed curve. Let me take two quadrilaterals. What is the difference between these two? Let me draw its diagonals. Here is one diagonal. Here is the two diagonal. That is vertices joining, non-consecutive vertices joined. Here this is one. The non-consecutive vertices of this, while joining, you will get a diagonal like this. These are the two diagonals of the second quadrilateral. You can see here the two diagonals are in the interior of this quadrilateral, whereas this comes the exterior. If no portion of the diagonals are in the exterior, we can code that type of polygon as the polygon which are not convex. We can call it as concave polygons. Here you have two triangles. What is the difference between these two? Here you can see the second one, all the sides are equal, whereas the first, they are not equal. If sides are equal, that polygon is called regular polygon. A regular polygon having side 3, we can call it as an equilateral triangle. This is a regular hexagon. This is a regular decagon. How will a regular polygon having 25 sides? Let us see. This is a regular polygon having 25 sides. Now what about a regular polygon having 100 sides? Here you can see a regular polygon having 100 sides. That means when the number of sides increases, the regular polygon tends to a circle. Here is your exercise 3.1. Some figures are given. You have to classify each of them on the basis of the following. A simple curve. You can see 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 are simple curve. And you can see the second one is simple closed curve. The same, all are simple closed curve also. Do the remaining questions. Second question is, how many diagonals does each of the following have? Draw a figure and find out how many diagonals you get. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.